Hi, this is Kaylee Baker, and this is my presentation on how selenium affects horses. Selenium is a trace mineral which is required for queen muscle development and growth. Selenium toxicity happens when a horse's diet has been oversupplemented with vitamin and minerals. Selenium, a mineral, protects cells from damage, but if given too much in their diet, it causes horses to suffer from chronic selenium toxicity and are diagnosed with alkali disease. The stage of life of the species. High levels of selenium from oversupplementing will have a very adverse effect on the health of the horse and has been proven fatal. Excess iron, especially in young animals, can be toxic and sometimes even fatal in fowls. Young horses have a greater risk of becoming deficient in essential vitamins and minerals. The symptoms of selenium include changes in hair, coat, and loss of mane and tail and cracked hooves, including patching, sweating, blind staggering, signs of colic, respiratory and heart dysfunction, gait abnormalities, or death. Recommended: a way to prevent a horse from having a toxic reaction to selenium is by having the horse on a diet with high protein. Linseed oil meal, silver, arsenic, sulfur, copper, cadmium, and mercury. All of these can reduce selenium and toxicity in the horse. A way to prevent a horse from getting selenium toxicity is by giving them less amount of hay or grass. The horse's meal should be balanced out to where the horse has enough of the mineral, not too much or not too less. Here are some sources that I thought were interesting and good to read on the topic. Thank you for watching my presentation.